Okay, guys, again, unit 1, lesson 5. Actually, lesson 5 is about multiplying fractions. Okay, so this is actually a very simple and easy lesson. It's about how to multiply fractions. So if there are two fractions and I want to multiply these two fractions, like this question, 3 over 4, if I want to multiply it by 5 over 7. So what will be the procedures? First, in such type of questions, I will multiply the numerators. So 3 times 5 equal 15. Then over, multiply the denominators. So 4 times 7 equal 28. Okay, so simply, guys, this will be the answer. One more question. If I want to multiply 4 over 9 times 2 over 3. So as we said, I will just multiply numerator and then denominator by the denominator. So 4 times 2 first will equal 8. Then over 9 times 3, it will equal 27. That's it. So this is simply how to multiply two fractions. So I will multiply the numerators of the two fractions to get the numerator of the product, and also multiply the two denominators of the two fractions to get the denominator of the product. Okay, so if the numbers are like that, guys, if there are some numbers, I mean, if I want to multiply it by 16 over 21, we just agreed that we will multiply the numerators and the denominators. Okay, but here, first, before multiplication, I have to check the numbers if I can simplify numerators and denominators or not. So here, I found that this number is 7 and there is another number is 21. And of course, we can simplify the two numbers by dividing the two numbers by a common factor. So of course, there's a common factor between 7 and 21. Both of them are divisible by 7. So divide this one by 7 means 1. Divide this one by 7 means 3. Then again, what about the next numbers? Also, there is 8 and 16. So we can simplify the two numbers. If I will divide them by 8, here 8 divide 8 equal 1. 16 divide 8 equals 2. Now the numbers becomes very simple. It's 1 times 2 equal 2 over 1 times 3 equal 3. So simply it will equal 2 over 3. So it's very easy to simplify the numbers first, then go ahead with the multiplication. Okay?
Okay.
So one more question like this. If it's a 3 over 5 times 25 over 36. So to multiply these two fractions, simply, guys, I will look for a simplify first. So we can simplify 3 and 36. If I will divide the two numbers by 3, so 3 divide 3 means 1, and the 36 divide 3 means 12. Okay. Anything else? Yes, of course. We can simplify 5 and 25. Divide the two numbers by 5. So 5 divide 5 means 1. 25 divide 5 means 5. Now it becomes very easy. 1 times 5 means 5 over 1 times 12 means 12. Okay, guys? Actually, there is one important point. Okay, one important point, guys. If the numbers is like that, 2 over 3 times 8 over 9. So as we said, guys, we have to check if there is a simplify or not, if we can simplify the numbers or not. So here there is 2, and here there is also 8. But guys, we will never simplify two numbers on the numerators or two numbers on the denominators. Simplify only one number from the numerator and one number from the denominator. So always simplify number from the denominator with a number on the numerator. I mean, number from top and number from bottom. Whatever, if it's here or bottom here or this one. Okay? Like, if the question is like that. But first, before checking another one, here we can't simplify to an 8 because we will only simplify numerators and the denominators, or one number from the denominators and one number from the numerator. Okay? Then I'm going to multiply the numbers directly because there is no simplification. 2 times 8, it's 16 over 3 times 9, it's 27. That's it. Okay, then if the numbers like that, guys, if it's 5 over 10 times 3 over 2. So this question, guys, we said that we will simplify number from the numerator with a number on the denominator. So we can simplify 5 and 10 because both of them, okay, is divisible by 5. So divide 5 equal 1, divide 5 equal 2. Now, do I suppose to simplify this 2 with this 2? Of course, no. Okay, we have to simplify numbers from numerator with numbers from denominators. So now, just to multiply the numbers, 1 times 3, it will equal 3 over 2 times 3, it will equal 4. One more question. If it's 5 over 6 times 2 over 15. So now I can simplify 5 and 15 because both of them is divisible by 5. So divide by 5 equal 1, divide by 5 equal 3. And then also 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We can divide the two numbers by 2 equal 1, by 2 equal 3. So now 1 times 1, it will equal 1 over 3 times 3, 9. So it will equal 1 over 9. Okay? The next point, it's about how to multiply a whole number by a fraction. We just explained the multiplication of two fractions, like 2 over 3 times 3 over 8. Two fractions. So we just said that simplify before multiplication. 2 and 8, divide 2 equal 1, divide 2 equal 4. 3 and 3. So we can divide the two numbers by 3. 1, 1. So 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 4 equal 4. That's it. The next point is to multiply whole number by a fraction, not two fractions. Whole number by a fraction, I mean if it's 1 over 8 times 2. So guys, of course, so this is 1 over 8 times 2 as a whole number means 2 over 1. Now we can simplify the numbers first. 2 and 8, divide 2 equal 1, divide 2 equal 4. So 1 times 1 equal 1 over 4 times 1 equal 4. So nothing will change. If it's a whole number, so it will be the number over 1 like this. One more question. If it's 12 times 3 over 4. So simply it will equal, it's a 12 over 1, of course, times 3 over 4. Now, can we simplify? Yes, of course. We can simplify 4 and 12 because both of the two numbers is divisible by 4. Now, divide 4, it will equal 1, divide 4, it will equal 3. So simply now it will equal 3 times 3, 9 over 1 times 1 equal 1. 9 over 1 means 9, of course. Okay? One more question again. If it's like that, 1 over 25 times 10. Of course, 1 over 25 times 10. 10 means 10 over 1 because it's a whole number. So now simplify. Can we simplify 25 and 10? Yes, of course. How? Both of them is divisible by 5. So divide this one by 5 equal 2. Divide this one by 5 equal 5. So it will equal 1 times 2 means 2 over 5 times 1 equal 5. That's it.
5.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys, any questions till now?
No, Mr. No.
Okay, great. Okay, great. Then the next point, which is actually the last one, how to multiply a mixed number by a fraction. Okay, never mind, it will be the same exactly. If there is a mixed number like that, 2 and 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. So we said that whenever you see a mixed number in any mathematical operation, just to convert it into improper fraction.
Mister,
How?
I'm going to leave because I have a session now.
Okay, so 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 2 will equal 8 over 3 times 3 over 4. Now it becomes a very easy normal multiplication like before. Simplify 3 and the 3, 1, 1 by dividing the two numbers by 3. Then what about 8 and 4? 8 and 4, we can divide the two numbers by 4, of course. So it will equal 2, it will equal 1. So 2 times 1 equal 2 over 1 times 1 equal 1. So 2 over 1, which means it will equal 2. One more question, guys, and concentrate with me in the next one. I will multiply two mixed numbers. No problem. What's the difference? Nothing. 1 and the 3 over 4 times 1 and 2 over 7. So convert the two mixed numbers into improper fractions. So the first one, 4 times 1 equal 4 plus 3, so it's 7 over 4 times the next number, 7 times 1 equals 7 plus 2 equal 9 over 7. So now we can simplify this 7 and this 7. Divide the two numbers by 7. 1, 1. So 1 times 9 means 9 over 4 times 1 equals 4. That's it. Okay, guys? So first we have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction, then go ahead and multiply the numbers. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes,
The next,
Mr.
okay. The next point. Okay. If I want to multiply a fraction like 1 over 2 times decimal number, for example, 0.6. So the fraction is 1 over 2. 0.6 means what, guys? It's a 6 over 10. Now simplify. So 2 and 6 divide 2 equal 1, divide 2 equal 3. 1 times the 3 will equal 3 over 1 times 10 will equal 10. That's it. So 3 over 10, we can keep it like this, or otherwise, if the 3 over 10 means 0.3.
0.
Both are correct. Exactly. Okay. If I want to multiply another two numbers, like 2 over 3 times 0.6. So it's 2 over 3 times 0.6 means what, guys? It's 6 over 10.
6 over 10.
So now simplify, divide 2 here and here equal 1.
So this will be 1 and this will be 5. And
Exactly.
and 3
And
multiply
then
and 3
3 and 6. Divide 3 will equal 1.
1
Divide 3
and this
equal
will be 2
1 times 2 equal 2.
equal
And
2
1
and
times 5 is
5.
6. So it will equal 2 over 5. Okay, guys, is it clear?
Yes, Mister, it's very clear.
Questions?
Now,
Actually, guys, that was lesson 5. Okay, hopefully all of you understands that lesson.